Hello friend, this is Nirmala Thorre. Today we will learn the binomial theorem, how to solve it. Okay, so the big three expansion theorems already given, in which the binomial theorem is the first one, which we can represent as x plus y to the power n, and the next one is the multinomial theorem, in which we can write multiple element at the same time. For example, x plus y plus z whole bracket to the power n, and the Newton's binomial theorem, in which we can represent x plus y whole bracket to the power alpha, which is the infinite number. Okay, so in this theorem there is a given three theorem, but we need to understand first one. That one is the binomial theorem. In binomial theorem there is a one condition in which only two element we can put in the bracket. So x and y is the binomial because there is only two element we are put it as a x and y. So how we can find out the coefficient of that binomial theorem? Suppose x plus y is a given particular two element, to the power we can put n. Maybe the n is 0, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, or maybe any number, any positive number. So with the help of this, how we can solve it? So we will take the first example, x plus y to the power 0. What will be the result? Result will be the 1, because when we put at any value to power 0, it become 1. So the next one, x plus y whole bracket to the power 1. What it will, when we will solve it, then x to the power 1 plus x to the power y 1. So x to the power 1, and here also y to the power 1 we will get. Then the next one is what? If we put it n as a 2, then how to solve it? Then we will get x to the power 2 plus 2xy plus x to the power 2. Now with the n equal to 3, then what we will get? X to the power 3 plus 3 x square y plus 3x y square plus y to the power 3. If we put it n as a 4, then what will be the result? The result will be x to the power 4 plus 4x to the power 3 y plus 6 x square y square plus 4x y to the power 3 plus y to the power 4. So with the help of this pyramid, you can see a particular pattern in which we can identify how the particular pyramids works. For example, at the first position there is no x, then 1x, then 2x to the power 2, x to the power 3, and x to the power 4. How we can relate with the particular n? N is the power of this whole square. If there is a 0, the value of this particular is 1. When n is 1, the x is also 1. When n is 2, the x is also x to the power 2. When n is 3, then also x to the power n, it means 3. When n is 4, then x to the power also 4. It means what? At the first place, the x with the maximum power of the x. Okay, see the next place. At the next place we can see, if we proceed left to right, that time the value of x always decreasing. For example, here we put it x to the power 4, here we put it x to the power 3, here 2, here 1, and here we skip x. Then see, at the same time, y is, here we are not using any y, but here we use y once, and then here twice, here thrice, and here 4 times. It means what? The power of x is maximum if we proceed, and we will get the power of y maximum. That time we will get the whole solution for the particular n square. Now again we will take the simple example how we did that particular solution, how we can say the binomial theorem is true or false. So basically x plus y into x plus y, which is actually equal to x plus y whole square, we can write like this also. So how to multiply x plus y with x plus y? If we multiply first element of this one with this one, and then first element with the second element, same with the second element with the first element, and then again the second element with the second element, and then we will get this. How it will? So see the example, x into x we will get 2x, then x into y we will get x and y, then again second element we will pick and multiply with the other set, y into x we will get x y, and then y with y it will y y. So this one we can say the previous whatever we solve the a plus b whole square, the same formula we can see here also. What is it? X square plus 2xy and y square, which is also as equal as this particular representation of the multiplication of x plus y and x plus y. So we'll take the next one example. Suppose x plus y whole bracket to the power 3, it means what? X plus y into x plus y and again x plus y. If we multiply these three different element, then what we will get? Of course we will get the different output. So how we can solve it? This particular representation we can replace with this, and we can multiply this particular thing with the whole result of previous one. So x multiply with double x it will triple x, x multiply by x y it will double x y, x multiply by y x it will x y x, then y multiply by double x y double x, y multiply by x y it will y double x, then y multiply by x y it will y x y, then y multiply by the particular x y it will double y x, and then y multiply by double y it will y y y. So you can see whatever result we will get here, we can multiply x plus y again and we will get the particular this. If we solve x plus y to the power 4, then we will take x plus y into x plus y into x plus y into x plus y. The whole result of this three element we can represent like this, and we can multiply only x plus y with this, then we will get that much output, which is actually the previous output, in which we already write x to the power 4 plus 4x to the power 3y plus 6x square y square plus 4x to the power y 4x y to the power 3 plus y to the power 4. So on the basis of this we can say the particular binomial theorem is true. On the basis of this result we can compare the